Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, the channel where the world's most exclusive homes, legendary estates, and billionaire dreams come to life. Here, luxury is not imagined, it is revealed. Today, we step inside one of the most magnificent private residences ever built. A masterpiece valued at an astonishing $400 million. This is not just a mansion. This is a modern palace, where European royal architecture meets contemporary ultra-luxury. From the very first step inside, the scale of this estate is overwhelming. The grand foyer alone spans over 5,000 square feet, framed by soaring double-height ceilings that instantly command attention. Every surface is crafted from pristine white marble, polished to a mirror-like finish that reflects light from every angle. Dominating the space is the breathtaking double Imperial staircase, a true symbol of power and prestige. Each step is carved from solid marble, layered with rich royal blue carpeting that flows upward like a ceremonial path. The wrought-iron railings are hand-forged and finished with subtle gold accents, blending strength with elegance in perfect harmony. Above it all hangs a monumental multi-tier crystal chandelier, composed of thousands of individually cut crystals. As light passes through it, the entire foyer glows with a soft, regal brilliance, creating an atmosphere worthy of royalty. But the true crown jewel lies overhead. The ceiling is a hand-painted Renaissance masterpiece, depicting angelic figures drifting among clouds beneath a vibrant blue sky. This work of art required over 18 months of meticulous craftsmanship by master artisans. Every brushstroke, every shadow, and every detail reflects museum-level quality, transforming the ceiling into a living canvas. Surrounding the space are towering Corinthian columns, carved from pure white marble and placed in perfect symmetry. They rise effortlessly toward the ceiling, reinforcing the palace-like grandeur and architectural balance found throughout the estate. As we move deeper into the mansion, the design language remains consistent, clean, powerful, and undeniably luxurious. The living spaces are expansive yet refined, featuring white interiors accented with royal blue furnishings and subtle gold details. Natural light pours through floor-to-ceiling glass panels, seamlessly connecting the indoors with the breathtaking exterior views. The dining hall is equally impressive. A long white marble dining table anchors the room, surrounded by plush blue velvet chairs. Above, a custom chandelier casts a warm glow, turning every gathering into a formal royal affair. The master suite is a private sanctuary of elegance. Soft white walls, deep blue textiles, and gentle ambient lighting create an atmosphere of calm sophistication. Large panoramic windows frame the surrounding landscape, allowing nature to complement the interior luxury. The master bathroom rivals five-star resorts. White marble surfaces, a sculptural soaking tub, glass-enclosed showers, and subtle blue accent lighting elevate the space into a spa-like retreat designed for absolute comfort. Outside, the estate continues to impress. The infinity pool stretches toward the horizon, its deep blue water reflecting the sky above. Surrounded by pristine white stone terraces and luxurious lounge areas, this space is designed for both relaxation and grand-scale entertaining. As night falls, the mansion transforms once again. Soft architectural lighting illuminates the white facade, while the pool glows in rich blue tones. From above, the estate appears like a jewel set into the landscape, powerful, elegant, and unmistakably elite. Every corner of this residence tells a story of ambition, vision, and uncompromising excellence. From the smallest decorative detail to the monumental architectural elements, nothing has been left to chance. This is where wealth is not displayed, it is embedded into the very structure of the home. This mansion stands as a testament to what happens when limitless resources meet world-class design. A place where artistry, engineering, and luxury exist in perfect balance. A true modern palace built for the highest level of living. Thank you for stepping inside this extraordinary estate with million-dollar mansions. This channel is dedicated to showcasing the most iconic homes on the planet, places where architecture becomes legacy and luxury knows no limits. If you appreciate timeless elegance, elite design, and the world's most valuable properties, you're in the right place. More legendary mansions, breathtaking estates, and billionaire lifestyles are coming soon. Until next time, this is Million Dollar Mansions, where dreams are built in stone, marble, and gold.